Shut up before I get angry. Right now, I can decide to kill you for another feast. The only thing stopping me is a lesson I want you to learn. You must live to respect me. That is why I'm sparing you.
Oh, please, don't kill me.
I am going now, but I'll keep watch over you. Anybody who frees you is in trouble. Children, how many are free? Let's go. Equamovita, hey, Equamovita, hey, Equamovita, hey, Equamovita, hey, Equamovita, hey.
So, Akon the tiger remained bound for 3 days and 3 nights. On the 4th day, he was saved by Baba.
Grandpa, why did it take so long for someone to come and save Ekpo?
Who can answer that question? Yes?
Everybody was afraid.
Yes. They were afraid, and they thought it was a trap to get them close enough for Akon to catch them. Well, but Baba the termite was not afraid. He came along with his family and they heard Akon's cries. They went and ate up all the ropes. Akon was free at last. He was so grateful. He invited Baba and his family to a party. He invited them to a cocktail party in his house. All this while, Ayi was hiding nearby and he heard and saw everything.
Ah, Baba and his children were so kind.
Yes, they even escorted Akon to his house. As they went, they sang along without noticing Ayi who was following them at a very safe distance. So, the termites sang their song, happy to have freed Akon, who in turn invited them to a party. Ayi danced along with them and even learned their song. On the appointed day for the party, Ayi went to visit Baba. He was in a very sad state.
Ago, termite, are you in there? Are you the spider? Mr. Trickster, you are welcome. Sit down. Thank you. You look sad. Oh, do I? I lost my mother-in-law and I need your help. I have to go to the funeral and mourn her properly for children. But we don't have the right costume. Could I borrow yours and your children's? Oh, I would love to give them to you, but we'll be needing them this afternoon. Ekpo the tiger has invited us to a party. Oh, that. Ekpo is making so much noise about it. Everybody knows about it. It is tomorrow, isn't it? No. It seems it's today. See, you are not sure. You hide in this darkness and you don't even know the difference between day and night. Today is only the 2nd day. Your appointment is tomorrow. Thank you very much, Ayi. What a shame it would have been to arrive a day before the appointment day. I'll give the costumes to you, but please return them tonight. We'll be needing them tomorrow. I will not fail you.
Ah, Grandpa, but that was the day Ekpo was expecting Baba and his family.
Yes, and that was the same day that Ayi decided to invite himself to Akon's party.
Oh! Shey, Ekpo would tear Ayi and his family into pieces.
So, at the appointed time, Ayi and his children arrived at Akon's house, singing. So, Ayi and his children got to Akon's house dressed like Baba and his children. Akon served them thinking they were Baba the termite and his children. After they had left, Ayi came back to Akon's house.
Ekpon the tiger.
Who is that?
It's me, Ayi the spider. I have returned to say thank you for the party you gave me and my children. I've tricked you again. I remain yours ever, Ayi the master trickster. Goodbye.
What? That tiny creature has fooled me again. I swear, I will kill him and all his family.
The next day, Baba arrived with his children. When Akpo saw them, he thought it was Ayi who had come to play another trick on him. So he poured boiling water on them, destroying Baba's whole family.
Oh, how sad.
Well, Baba himself managed to hide under a broom. When everything was calm, he came out and thanked Akpo for being so ungrateful. Akpo was ashamed. Baba vowed never, ever to be kind to anybody. He decided to destroy anything he found in his way.
Oh, wow, Baba.
So, Grandpa, that is why termites are very destructive.
That's right.
Yeah.